Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video, we saw how to, uh, you know, write a function, apply function or apply method for getting a logic. And I was talking about the student. So this is going to be changed actually. So here the input is marks, right? And marks is of integer type. So we have passed integer. So input was integer. Then in between there's a processing which happens inside apply method, right? Apply takes this whole thing, processing stuff, and then it generates output as a string. What if we have a collection, right? That's the one big thing. What if we have a collection, not just one student? So let's create students in the same example and let's see how it works. So let's create student tester 2. I won't change this code. I'll say student tester with collection, right? Collection. Okay, here's a collection, and now we have to change this scenario, correct? Because if you're dealing with collection, now that previous thing will work. Or let's keep it this way, we will see. So I have one student. Instead of this, let's create list of students. So list of students, and then new array list, then students dot add, then new student. Okay, now you can pass the names. Let's say equals 95 something, semicolon. Let's take other names. Shub, Anoop, some names, and let's give some marks. So it is 30. Yeah, let's say 75. Shub got 85. Anoop got 75. Okay, some random numbers. And now let's take this out from here. It's not more required because it's a collection now. So let's see, let's remove this line, just giving some space. Okay, now let's run a for loop. Then collection is on right side, so students goes here, and I'll go on left side. After colon, the type is student, so student, then put this, and the type, let's call this stu. Okay, done, and paste it. Or for making more simpler, that's student. And yeah, code is ready. That's the only thing you have to do, but because it will print 3 lines per record, so better give it this in 1 line. So let's remove this extra stuffs. Max and plus and great. Okay, looks good now. So in 1 line it will print everything. Let's not format it, it's fine this way. Okay, so let's run this code and see the output. Application, and here we go. Ram marks 95, grade A. Ravi got failed, Meha got C, Shubh got B, and Anup got C as per their marks. So that's how we can write code and process accordingly. So this is about function interface. In next video we will see some more methods provided by this function interface. Thanks for watching this video guys, and let's meet in the next video.